Do you know what happens to the 6 million kilos of paint and paint containers that are brought to the 1,200 recycling drop sites annually? Well, at the drop sites, the paint containers are carefully piled into sealed metal bins specifically designed to safely transport these types of materials. The bins are delivered to Laurentide Resources in Victoriaville, Quebec, whose role is to recycle household paints. Upon arrival at the factory, the bins are weighed, scanned to identify the source, and emptied. The paint containers are then placed on the main conveyor belt to be sorted by product category, while the containers of hybrid and alkyd paints and varnishes are removed to be treated separately. The containers of latex paints continue on the main conveyor belt, where they are opened, sorted by color, emptied into 1,000-liter containers, and stored until the production process begins. Paints that do not meet the recycling standards are directed to the rejected conveyor belt to be emptied manually or disposed of. The now empty plastic and metal containers are packed and sent to the appropriate recyclers. The next stage is the production of the final selection of Boomerang brand acrylic latex colors. The paint is pumped from the selected 1,000-liter containers into a 6,000-liter tank, where it is mixed to obtain the desired color. A small quantity of additives is added for quality purposes, and the paint is then filtered through a 100-micron strainer. At the final stage of the quality control process, the paint is tested for color consistency from one batch to the other and to ensure it meets all industry standards and norms. Once approved, the paint is put in plastic and recyclable 1-gallon cans or 5-gallon pails, given a batch number, labeled, stacked on pallets, and made ready to be shipped to your local paint dealer. Thank you for choosing Boomerang Recycled Paint, a front-runner in the recycled market, guaranteeing you the best price-quality ratio and a truly environmentally friendly product. Boomerang, repainting a sustainable world.